At the bottom, click on this scroll bar. You can scroll in and out of the video clip. You can also change the mode so that you're looking at the timestamps of the video clip. So notice as I drag the bar to the right, the timestamps get more visible. And so this allows you to edit with more precision. So I previously mentioned in my videos to trim, you can come over to the top and select trim. A faster way to do that is to come over to the end or the beginning of each clip and just simply drag to the portion of where you want to trim. So this is an update video of how to trim even faster, and you can do this for the rest of your video clips. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.